Cirrus sold 612 aircraft in 2023, making it the undisputed sales leader according to General Aviation News. With 355 sold, the SR-22T is now the most popular aircraft sold worldwide, with the SR-22 coming in fourth place with 142 sold. Now, the SR-20, with 115 sold, is coming up in sixth place. Cirrus is a relatively new company in aviation terms as it started operations in 1984. Cirrus is currently owned by the mega company AVIC, Aviation Industry Corporation of China. West Coast Governor has every governor Cirrus's need. Let us know how we may be of assistance. Send us an email or stop by our shop in Tulare, California. We love to see our customers.